Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be doing the sensing blocks. Yes, sensing blocks. It's gonna be pretty long video. Sensing blocks. The sensing blocks pretty hefty load. So yeah, let's just jump right in. So I'm gonna be talking about booleans here. These three ones are called booleans. These are booleans. Booleans means it's a true or false. Then if touching mouse pointer, then that's true. It's false right now. If it's touching the mouse pointer, then that's true. So then if I'm touching this color, if I'm touching this green, that's set to true. Else it's set to false. Now this is kind of if any color is touching this let's say this color, then that's set to true. If it's not touching that color, then that's set to false. So I won't be using these. You kind of get the idea of how it works. Now this is an input block, so distance to mouse pointer. This is an input block. Distance to mouse pointer. Then I measure the sprite's distance from the mouse pointer. Now it's 242.2581. Like that, it's gonna measure the distance and say it. Now this is the block. Ask anything. What's your name? I can input something. Like that. I can input, and this is what we receive as the answer boolean. So you see what I'm saying. So yeah, these two are also booleans. This one is if a key, the key we put in here is pressed, then this is set to true, or else it's false. Here, this one, the mouse is down, then that's set to true. It's false right now because the mouse is not down. So yeah, if I can see that I'm pressing the space bar, and it says true. So yeah, now when I release it, it says false. So yeah, mouse X and mouse Y are also input blocks. So the mouse X, mouse pointer's X position. Minus 240. That's the mouse pointer's X position. Minus 29 is Y position of the mouse pointer. It's like they are also inputs. So there are drag modes. Drag modes. So draggable means let me put it in a folder. Draggable means we can drag it when it's full screen too. No, normally when you set it to not draggable, you can't drag it anymore. So that's the drag mode. Now you can drag it like this because this is the editor and this is the test area. So this is the editor. You see that this is the editor. So obviously you have to move. So yeah, as I said, the loudness and time blocks. You might have learned that from the event block. Go watch that video. Those are the inputs of the loudness and the timer. So yeah, if I press the you just press this button, just reset the timer. Gonna set it to 0. That is what this block does. This is gonna reset the timer. So yeah, this is the thing of thing block. This is called thing of thing. Let's say the stages backdrop number, that is 1 because we only have one backdrop, which is this, and that is number 1. So backdrop number of stage is 1, and backdrop name of stage is backdrop 1, like that. Thing of theme block looks like that. So now these are the most not used blocks. Current year, it shows the current year here, 2023, and here it shows the days since 2000. This is not used like 99.99999% time. Only that 0.0000001% time that this is used. It's 8,416.6. I can't count. So yeah, that's what that block says. I don't think you will be using that block. Now this is going to show my username, Peaceful Mind, obviously. This block is useful if you are creating multiplayer games on Scratch. It's going to show your username about the player. Now this is useful. So yeah, that's useful. So I hope you guys learned something. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe. Bye. Bye.